Hello everyone! If you are a teacher or a school leader interested in trying out innovative intellectual products, seize this opportunity and join us. In this video, we will show you all the steps how to make PAR the fantastic Loop network. So, let's do it! First of all, we need to access Loop website. Now, we click Join Loop Network tab. And after that, click here to express your interest. Then, I fill the form and click on Submit. We will contact you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.